Have you ever wondered how to make $1,000 a week with meat rabbit farming? Welcome to an exciting exploration into the world of meat rabbit farming. This lucrative venture is more than just a hobby. It's a potential gold mine and a way to create a sustainable income. Picture this, a world where you can turn a small patch of land or even a spacious backyard into a thriving business. That's the beauty of meat rabbit farming. Imagine having an enterprise that is not only profitable but also sustainable and in harmony with nature. It's not just about raising rabbits, it's about providing a product that's in high demand in the market. The demand for rabbit meat is on the rise. It's lean, packed full of protein, and considered a healthier alternative to other meats. Chefs around the world are incorporating rabbit meat into their menus, and health-conscious consumers are also turning towards this lean source of protein. This makes rabbit farming a venture with huge potential. But let's be clear, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires dedication, hard work, and a deep understanding of how to raise and care for rabbits. But the rewards, both financial and personal, can be substantial. And the beauty of it all? The startup costs are relatively low compared to other farming businesses. With the right knowledge and guidance, you can set up your own meat rabbit farm even if you're starting from scratch. But don't worry, we're here to guide you every step of the way. From understanding the basics of meat rabbit farming, setting up your rabbit farm, maintaining it, to marketing your rabbit meat, we have you covered. So, are you ready to embark on this journey? To turn a simple curiosity into a profitable venture? Stay with us to learn how to make this a reality, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Farming Knowhow for more farming tips and tricks. Let's hop into this exciting world together. Before diving in, it's important to understand the basics of meat rabbit farming. First and foremost, the breed of rabbit you choose is essential. While there are a variety of rabbit breeds out there, not all are suitable for meat production. Some of the top breeds for meat include the New Zealand White, Californian, and Flemish Giant. These breeds are known for their large size and rapid growth rate, making them perfect for farming. But it's not just about the breed. It's also about providing a comfortable and healthy living environment for your rabbits. Rabbits are social creatures that require a clean, spacious, and well-ventilated habitat. This might mean a commercial hutch for a small-scale operation or a custom-built rabbitry for larger farms. Feeding your rabbits is another crucial aspect. A diet rich in high-quality pellets, fresh vegetables, and plenty of clean water is essential. Yes, just like us, rabbits enjoy a balanced diet too. Remember, a healthy rabbit is a productive rabbit. It's also important to consider the rabbit's reproductive cycle. Rabbits are prolific breeders with a gestation period of just around 1 month. This means you can expect a new litter approximately every 6 weeks. Each doe or female rabbit can produce anywhere from 4 to 12 kits, or baby rabbits, per litter. Another essential to note is that rabbits require regular health checks and vaccinations to prevent diseases. It's always a good idea to establish a relationship with a local veterinarian who is familiar with rabbits. Lastly, don't forget to factor in your local climate and weather conditions. Rabbits are hardy animals, but they still require protection from extreme temperatures and weather conditions. With the right knowledge and preparation, you can start your journey into meat rabbit farming. It's a rewarding venture that, with time and dedication, can even turn into a profitable business. So take these basics to heart, and you'll be off to a great start. Now that we understand the basics, how do we set up a meat rabbit farm? Let's delve right into it. Setting up your rabbit farm involves several key steps, each as crucial as the next. Firstly, you'll need to build suitable housing for your rabbits. This is not just about providing shelter, it's about creating an environment conducive to their growth and productivity. The housing should be spacious, well-ventilated, and easy to clean. Each rabbit needs about 4 square feet of space. Consider a raised wire cage designed to facilitate waste management and keep the rabbits off the ground, safeguarding them from predators and diseases. After securing the housing, it's time to source your initial rabbit stock. Choosing the right breed is essential as different breeds have varying growth rates and mature weights. Breeds like the New Zealand White and Californian are popular choices for meat rabbit farming due to their rapid growth and high meat yield. Remember, quality stock is the foundation of a successful meat rabbit business. Once you've got your rabbits, it's time to focus on their nutrition. Feeding your rabbits a balanced diet is crucial for their growth and overall health. Rabbits are herbivores, so their diet should be primarily composed of hay, supplemented by fresh vegetables, fruits, and high-quality rabbit pellets. Water should be available at all times, and it's best to use a drip system to keep it clean. Incorporating these steps, you'll be well on your way to setting up a successful rabbit farm. But remember, each farm is unique, and what works for one might not work for another. It's about finding the right balance and making adjustments as required. As you embark on this journey, don't forget to keep records. Record keeping is an essential, yet often overlooked aspect of farming. It will help you track your progress, identify patterns, and make informed decisions. Setting up your rabbit farm correctly is the first step towards achieving your income goal. So take the time to do it right. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe to Farming Know-How for more insights and tips on profitable farming. Setting up the farm is just the beginning. How do we maintain it? Well, maintaining a rabbit farm involves a set of daily tasks that you, as a farmer, need to perform to ensure the well-being of your rabbits. These tasks are crucial to the success of your farm. Let's dive into them. Firstly, feeding your rabbits. It's essential to provide a balanced diet to your rabbits. This usually involves a mix of pellets, fresh vegetables, and hay. Remember, the quality of the food you provide directly impacts the health and productivity of your rabbits. So don't skimp on it. Next, cleaning. Rabbits are clean animals, and a tidy environment is key to their happiness and health. Regularly clean their cages, removing any waste and uneaten food. Also, make sure to replace the bedding frequently. This not only keeps your rabbits comfortable, but also helps prevent diseases caused by bacteria and parasites. Now let's talk about monitoring the health of your rabbits. It's not enough to just feed and clean. You need to be observant. Watch out for any changes in their behavior, eating habits, or physical appearance. These could be early signs of health issues. Which brings us to the next point, regular veterinary checks. Rabbits are prone to certain diseases that can spread rapidly within the farm. Regular checkups can help identify and treat these diseases early, preventing them from becoming major problems. It's a small investment that can save you a lot of trouble down the line. In addition, keep an eye on the overall condition of your farm. Ensure that the enclosures are secure, the feeding and watering systems are functioning well, and the rabbits have enough space to move around. All these tasks may seem overwhelming, but they become part of your routine over time. And remember, the more effort you put into maintaining your farm, the more successful it will be. So, to sum it up, maintaining your rabbit farm involves feeding your rabbits a balanced diet, keeping their environment clean, monitoring their health, and scheduling regular veterinary checks. These tasks are not just chores, they are investments into the success of your farm. Proper maintenance is key to ensuring maximum productivity and profitability. We've raised the rabbits, but how do we make money from them? Let's delve into that. The first step to marketing your rabbit meat is identifying your potential market. You could start with your local markets. These places are often in search of fresh, locally sourced produce. Next, consider approaching restaurants. Chefs are always on the lookout for quality ingredients to enhance their dishes. But don't forget about the power of the internet. Online platforms have made it easier than ever to reach a wider audience. Websites like Etsy or even your own e-commerce site can be excellent outlets to sell your products. Remember, building a strong customer base requires consistency. Whether it's the taste, the texture, or the freshness of the meat, make sure your product is consistently top-notch. Word of mouth is a powerful marketing tool. Satisfied customers will not only return for more but also recommend your product to others. Marketing your product effectively is crucial to hitting that $1,000 a week target. Let's recap what we've learned today. We started by introducing you to the world of meat rabbit farming, a promising venture that can net you $1,000 a week if done right. We then explored the basics of meat rabbit farming, where we emphasized the importance of breed selection and understanding rabbit behavior. From there, we moved on to setting up your rabbit farm. We discussed choosing the perfect location, setting up the right kind of housing, and the importance of a balanced diet for your rabbits. Next, we delved into maintaining your rabbit farm, focusing on regular health checks, breeding practices, and dealing with common rabbit diseases. Lastly, we touched on marketing your rabbit meat. Remember, understanding your target market and creating a strong brand are key. With these steps, you're well on your way to making $1,000 a week from meat rabbit farming. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Farming Know-How for more insightful farming content.